children, the topic we are speaking this afternoon is 12:22 already, PM GMT, my local time. Yeah, I'm sure you all know what GMT means. It means the Greenwich Meridian time. The Greenwich Meridian, we are on the same line with the latitude, with the equator. So our time is in between the east and the west. Hallelujah. So in this axis of the world, we're already 12:23 a.m. In the eastern flank, they're already going to the evening, maybe 6, 7, 8, depending on where it is in the eastern flank. I'm talking of the Japanese, Chinese, and Malaysia, Indonesia end of the world. And of course, in the western flank of the world, which is the Americas and all that, they are probably just waking up now. Hallelujah. See how God is a great God, a God of diversity. So thank you for showing up once again. God bless you. The topic we are speaking this afternoon